Hi, fifth graders. It's Mrs. Hogan. I miss you guys a lot. Today we're going to start working on the fifth grade math home review. We're going to do days 1 and days 2. If you have already done that, then this is a good way for you to check if you have right answers. And if you haven't, you can just follow along with me and pause the video when needed. On day 1, they ask you to complete the multiplication chart below. Your first step is to write 1 through 12 on the very top row. Then go to the far left column and write 1 through 10. There is not room to go to 12. Once you've done that, you're going to start at the top one and go all the way across, listing the multiplication facts. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. That one should be pretty easy. Then go down to your 2's. 2 times 1 is 2, and so on. Then your 3's. And just keep going. Pause this video right now to check your answers. 2. Maria grew 5,746 apples. She gave 171 apples to her neighbor. She bought 25 baskets to hold the rest of the fruit. How many pieces of fruit did she put in each basket? We first need to figure out how many apples Maria had after she gave 171 apples to her neighbor. We are going to use a calculator to take the original amount, and we are going to subtract the 171 apples. Maria now has 5,575 apples. She now needs to place these apples in the 25 baskets. What kind of math will we use to take a big number and equally distribute the big number into the 25 baskets? If you said divide, you're correct. We're going to take the 5,575, press the divide button into the 25 baskets. Each basket will have 223 apples. Maria grew a lot of apples. Marshall remembered the area of the top of her rectangular table was between 3,000 and 4,000 square inches. Which could be the dimensions of her table, and how do you know? The first step to this problem is remembering what the formula for area is. Anybody remember? If you said area equals length times width, you are correct. Now that we know the area formula, we need to test the options we have here. Let's start with option F. 82 multiplied by 56 equals 4,592. That is above 4,000, so F is not our answer. Option G. 56 times 22. 1,232. That's well below 3,000, so again, cannot be our area. Option H, 28 times 37 equals 1,036. Still not in between 3,000 and 4,000. Now here you guys could just assume option J is the correct answer, but let's just triple check. 84 times 38. 3,192 square inches, which makes option J, our correct answer.